What's up guys, and welcome to Web Pro Education's daily tech tips. In today's tech tip, we're learning how to add or remove or even customize the watermark on your Redmi Note 10 Pro camera. Now you can have a watermark on your camera such that every time you take a photo like that, it's gonna have a watermark in the bottom left corner. And so in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable that, and even to customize that if you want. So the first thing you want to do is launch the camera app, which is black because the phone is on the table. But then go to the menu in the top right corner, then select settings. On the settings page, go to watermark, and then here you should see device watermark. Now you can turn this off if you don't want it, or on if you want it. And then here you can also customize what you want in the watermark. For me, I've put my Instagram handle, but you can delete that and put anything you want. And then tap save. So that will add your custom watermark together with the Redmi Note 10 Pro watermark, which is default, and you cannot remove that. Now at the same time, you can also choose to add a timestamp on your photos by turning this on, and this basically adds a timestamp to any photo you take. So for instance, if I turn that on and I go ahead and take a photo, now looking at the photo, you should see the watermark on the left and the timestamp on the right hand side. And that's basically how to enable and disable these things on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.